Good day, everyone. My name is Mark Edzel Gabuya,
And my name is Vincent F. Gumban.
John Mike Ricafrent.
and we're here to present our capstone project proposal entitled Online Transaction Processing System for Billionaire Pharmacy. And may I call Mr. Vincent to start the presentation.
So, enterprise system is used by enterprise all over the world to facilitate the continuous flow of information and to address the issues of information fragmentation inside organization. Enterprise system delivers several organizational benefits such as increased productivity, management, decision making, and competitiveness and cost savings. The transaction processing system acquires and maintains information about the business transactions and, in certain cases, manages choices made as part of the transaction. The transaction is an activity that modifies record data, for example, utilizing the e-payment or completing an online purchase. The online transaction processing system is intended to enhance pharmacy accuracy, safety, and efficiency. It is a web-based system that facilitates pharmacist inventory management and generates sales report that can be used for decision making. Pharmacy will become disorganized if they do not have online transaction processing system, making it difficult to manage their stock, sales, and transactions.
For Billionaire Pharmacy, um, the pharmacy was established by General Villamor on September 8, 2001. It is currently located at 115 Image del Pilar, Barangay Palate, Pasig City. They offer and distribute various medication and also they sell both generic and branded medicine. According to them, they don't have currently TPS on their pharmacy. Instead, they are using an old way to manage their stock, sales, and other business transactions. And according to them, one of the most common issues that they encounter is having an inaccurate data. And also, they are having a hard time managing their sales, stock, and other business transactions.
The online transaction processing system for Billimer Pharmacy offers various features and modules. Reports and dashboard for listing information, ordering module for customer orders, supply management module for stock replenishment in the store, inventory management module for tracking medicine supply, or online payment for customer payments using PayPal, point or purchase or seller's report method for monitoring the profitability of the drugs, and real-time synchronization for synchronizing real-time data and program updates. The system primary goal is to make William Pharmacy employees' job easier and faster. Also, for the store to manage its inventory efficiently and without errors.
So, the first statement of the problem that researchers have is how does the system will address the challenge of ordering medication from suppliers and managing customer orders? To answer that, the researchers created an ordering module, which is responsible for handling any ordering transaction either from customer or from the suppliers. When it comes to customer side, the system have two ordering process. The first one is ordering within the store, and the second one is ordering from online, which they can pay through an e-payment such as PayPal. So with the help of ordering module, the store can have a seamless transaction not only with their customer but also with their suppliers. Then the second one is how does the system determine when a specific medication is about to run out of stock? For the researchers to solve that problem, the researchers created an inventory management module. It helps the pharmacists to manage the stock from the store and from the stock room. So our system has a features which is whenever the particular medicine reaches its danger level, uh, which is 30 quantity according to our client, uh, the background of the said medicine will automatically turn into red, and it indicates that the pharmacy should now restock the medicine supply.
For the third question, which is how will the system help to effectively manage the expiration of the drugs in the store? The researcher created an inventory management module in the system to effectively manage the expired drugs. Like, if the particular medicine expires, it will automatically store in the expired medicine table. Means that expiration date will be added to the medicine in the system to assist the store in keeping track of drug expiration dates and preventing issues such as dispensing expired medicines for customers, thereby ensuring their safety. If the pharmacist wants to remove the medicine, all they have to do is just to click a remove button. If the pharmacist sees the expired drugs, they can simply remove them by clicking the remove button in the system.
Another question that the researchers encounter is how does the system provide transaction logs for tracking and reviewing billing activities? All billing activities will be stored whenever there is a transaction completed. This attribute has a significant influence on evaluating if they are making profits or loss. When the pharmacy orders from the suppliers, the billing activities are stored. They can use this functionality in the future to increase their sales as they will know if the drugs are lucrative or not. Another question that the researchers encounter is how does the system help in handling different payment methods such as electronic payments? The system has online ordering, which includes online payment, which allows customers to effortlessly pay for their purchases and have a seamless transaction. The customer may pay through PayPal.
One of the limitations of our system is first, tracking of supplies. The online transaction processing system does not track of whereabouts of medicine to be delivered to the store. The contact between the pharmacy and the supplier is through texting, calling, or chatting through social media. The second one is clinical decision making. As we all know, majority of the pharmacy system does not give medical advice or make clinical decision. The customer still have to contact to their doctors about their medical status.
The next limitation is patient consultations. Although the system stores patient information and purchase history, it does not facilitate direct patient consultations. The system is primarily focused on handling customer purchases. Direct consultation should take place between doctors and patient, and not through the system to avoid the risk of sharing incorrect information that could potentially harm the customer. Following that are medical billing and insurance claims. The online transaction processing system can generate invoices and track sales, but it may not be able to handle complex medical billing or insurance claims processes. The system will not handle the customer's medical billing and insurance claims because they will need more information from them, such as through PhilHealth or any other discounts. The pharmacy must ensure that the customer information is secure and safe. Additional system or specialized software integration may be required to handle insurance claims and related financial transactions.
Lastly, real-time chat. Since the Villamore pharmacy only has one employee, who is also the pharmacist and the owner, it is tough for the pharmacist to respond to all of the customer's questions.
So this is the conceptual framework of the researcher system. As you can see in the figure 3.1, it represents the architectural framework of online transaction processing system. As indicated by the figure, it begins with the admin or pharmacist who oversees the whole pharmacist business. Using the online transaction processing system and its database, pharmacists may now administer the entire pharmacy. The administrator or the pharmacist may now interact with their supplier or with their customer to complete some transactions such as the ordering procedure. So this is our system demo. As you can see on the page, this our login form, which can be used to log into the system. And here on the bottom part of it, it has a text registered here. So using this form, which is registration form, we can create a new admin that we can use on our system. Then let's try to create a new admin. Then we'll use it to log into our system. Then once as you can see on the URL, success registered. So we can now use our newly created account to log into our system. Then once we successfully log in the account, it will now proceed to the dashboard, which we explained earlier that this is where we can find all the medicine sales, medicine list, expired drugs, account payable, medicine list, transaction today, and the two buttons for adding a new medicine and adding an order. For adding a new medicine, just click add medicine, then type all the information needed. Then as you can see on the bottom part of it, it has the text said that the medicine is sold as a dose. So if we choose the yes, it will proceed to a new form, which is adding a price for adult and child. Then once we back here, if we click the no, it will proceed to adding a price. So let's try to add a price to our medicine. Then once we submit here, it will now display here on the medicine list page. Sure, the example page. Then if you want to add a stock on it, all we have to do is to order to our supplier. Then let's go to store page, then click this receive medicine, then try to find your created medicine, which is this example trade. Then just click this receive medicine and it will proceed to restocking form. Then On this page, you can find all the supplier you have. Let's try to select this ABC supplier, then the expiration date of the medicine. Then, since this is a newly created medicine, it has no available quantity yet. So, the number of supply we want to purchase to our supplier. Then the selling price, then the buying price. As you can see on the profit, it shows the profit for uh, every uh, every medicine, or every each of medicine that we can sell to our system, to our pharmacy. Just click the receive medicine. Then as you can see, the number of quantity that we have purchased to our supplier will not appear here. But it does not appear here yet on our pharmacy stock. And as you can see, the system that the medicine that we created still has zero stock available. So for us to move the medicine from this to our pharmacy stock, all we have to do is perform the requisition process, which is here. Then try to find the medicine that we created, which is here, example 3. Then click this receipt medicine. Then it will proceed to form, which is we can use to move the supply from our store to the pharmacy stock. Since we have a 50 available supply on our store, let's just put 50 here, then add to pharmacy. Then as you will see, it will now display here on our pharmacy stock here, and our store it is now 0 here. So as you will see on on this table, it has a red background on the cell. So it means that if a particular medicine reaches the danger level, which is 30 according to our client, the background of this cell will automatically turn into red. So as you can see, it has zero stock available. So that's the reason why the background of its cell is red. So let's try to order the medicine that we created. Here the example. Then here, as you can see, if the stock available is zero, the checkbox here is unavailable. So we can order if the stock available is zero. Then this price that has a 2, it is a medicine that can be sold as a dose. So this price is for the adult and this price is for the medicine. So let's try to click this next. Then the customer name is this. Then this is its invoice number. Then let's try to put a quantity. For example, to then issue medicine, and it on this sales page it will display the prescribed medicine details. So if the customer wants to purchase another medicine, just click add more. Then let's try to order the medicine that can be sold as a dose. So here we can choose if this medicine is for kids or for this adults. Then let's try for kids. Then the sales page will automatically update since we ordered another medicine. If you want to proceed to checkout, just click here. Then this is the total amount due that our customer have. Then if they give 2 pesos, the balance now is 60 pesos, which is their change. Then proceed to checkout. Then proceed. So this is all the sales summary of the transaction. Then once we go to back home, as you can see, the transactions today is now 1 since we already completed 1 transaction, and it will now display here on the sales page, which is here. Then the expired medicine page. This is where all the expired medicine we have on our pharmacy. So this this button, it doesn't have a function yet, but once we confirm this, the medicine will automatically remove from the pharmacy. Then this on purchase order page, this is where all the billing activities or the billing transaction that we made from our suppliers. So earlier we made a transaction to our supplier, which is here the example plate. Since it is unpaid, all we have to do is just click this page. But first, look at the dashboard page. Since this account payable is 13,000, once we click the paid here, which is a 2,000, then look at this, and it will now automatically deducted from account payable. So yeah, that's our system demo, and thank you for listening.